corridor. Tell me. Same country but different. Slow down, baby. Antario, welcome. Where you go? Ah, so beautiful. Blue Lake.
Take a sharp right turn. Then the destination is on your right.
Here's the Blue Lake now, and Love is going to get the ticket. I'm so tired, you guys. Here.
Ask any question.
Thank you.
He's doing a good job already.
I'll take the credit.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Doing a good job.
Every time I escape this sunshine, you find me in the next 2 seconds. I'm gonna move again.
We are here to the Blue Lake. I'm going to have fun. I need to go change my clothes. Just to swim for like 2 minutes. Because I came late. I'm going to swim a little bit. Yeah. Just change swimming suit. Now I'm going to swim.
Go past that. I will give you $1,000.
This is my daughter, Danielle.
Hello, Daniel.
It can't.
I put it here.
Yes, I can. Yeah. Go play. Go do whatever you want to do.
I've never been to Vancouver, but every time you're gonna think of a place to move, it's there. And it was fun. I'm going to do it again, really.
God have mercy on that. Good job! Yay, you're doing a good job. Me, 0. Don't look at me, looking at me, I'm swimming.
I'm ready.
Very blue. Look at me. Now I'm going to eat. We're all done. I need to go change. I'm all wet because my feet's all dirty with the sand. So we're gonna go to the hotel, take a good shower and relax. So I'm so happy. I was so careful with my hair. I didn't get them wet, so that's beautiful because tomorrow I don't want to put a wig. I don't know if I'm gonna put a wig, but I just didn't want them to get wet.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Très bien.
Merci. Bye. Bye bye. Au revoir. See you. See you.
Out ad interruptions. With radio stations, creating for. Join Premium today.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Ako na ni Bebe. Bring me anywhere. Welcome home. Home, home. Home, home. Lupa na lang pege. Welcome home. Just early in the morning, we have to wake up and get ready in the window. It's so beautiful, it's so sunny out there. Yeah, I'm just opening the window. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to take a shower and then do a little bit of makeup since it's so hot out there. So let's go get ready. Over here, people are cruising. I wish to go there. Wow, it's so beautiful here. Look at people, they are cruising in the boats. Wow, that's so nice. The water is like console here. Wow. Look at them. So beautiful. Wow. So nice. Look at them. Oh, look at other people over there. I'm gonna zoom them. Uh-huh.
No, that's not safe. Yeah. Safe.
It's so nice. I was just going to play in the water jerseys. I'm done. Now we have to go.
At the light, turn right onto Highway 17 East.
Welcome to Interview to Drive-Thru.
For two people
Want a
here.
meal for two people? Like, we just have combos.
Yeah, I guess I can take that.
And that's like two for something. We just have individual combos.
Yeah,
What would you like?
Is it coming with fries?
double moza.
Okay.
It's-
That's a meal
Yes.
with fries and repair.
800.
So we have 2 hours, 4 hours, or the full day.
2 hours.
Arrive
Okay,
at
that's-
Rushing River.
So it'll be for.
I don't want to fall off in the water. So you guys, I want to eat first. It's so beautiful here. Oh my god. Let me zoom it a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. There is people there in the river. It is beautiful. Look at there. I don't know if they're swimming. I regret I didn't bring my swimming suit. I just have a shorts inside my jumper suit. Maybe I'm going to go in the water soon. I'm just trying to zoom. Yep, look at them. You wanna go in the water? Ooh, so nice. So I'm just going to eat. Drinking my juice. It's a nice camping ever. It's so beautiful here. It's wearing my jumper suit. I wish I could have my swimming suit, but under my jumper suit I have my legging, but I don't have anything on top. Maybe I'll go back in the car and find something so I can just come play in the water. Because it's so beautiful. Talk to you guys after. Done eating. Now I'm going to change my clothes and then play in the water for a couple minutes before we leave. Here we go. Okay, let's go have some fun. This is how it looks like. Just rocks, water, the bridge over there. I'm singing. Mantap kita. Orang setuju.
Ya. Lah, extra sih.
Jump. Good?
Yeah. Just
Good. One in the cooler. Yeah. Hold on. I'm tired. I want some beer here. Bye. have to return. We're all done here. Going back. Not wet. Whew. Bye-bye. That's a beautiful bridge. We are going to cross people down. So nice. Wow. Wow. This is so beautiful. Very beautiful. Thing to change.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Highway 71. In 5.6 kilometers, turn left onto Highway 17.
Closing, we can squint them. No. So we are going to cruise in the boats.
Hey, but I left the key in it.
Going cruising now. I'm so excited. There, the boat is ready for us. Look at him. He's already in. So we are leaving. It's so hot over here.
You're staying here, Al? Yeah. Spot, eh? Yeah. You seen that, right? Yeah.
Did you lock the car?
That other boat, if you ever come back, we'll drop you off here. So I'll show the drive.
That'd be great.
Oh, that's nice.
I haven't put 8 years in the boat.
Wow.
Yeah, when we redid the whole thing, it was a full part about it for like $2 grand. That's put a new engine on it, but we put a new floor in. This is Coney Island Beach. This is where that other boat, if you ever come back, we'll drop you off here. It's just a short little drive, but then you can spend the night at the beach or spend the day at the beach.
Nice. Oh my god. That's a little scary, but
You just buy those boats around here. We just had to move the
We're
boats to outside.
back. It was nice move. Quick one.
Oh, no. What they do is. Right on.
Thank you.
thank you, Scott. See you next weekend or the weekend after. This weekend or the weekend
Text
after.
me.
Yeah, I'll do
Because
that.
we'll have to book it because we get pretty busy.
Okay,
So we'll book in for 2 hours. Let me know the hours that you want.
I'll do that.
Yeah, and then we'll make it work.
Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.